very warm welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the second statement, that is if, else and end statement, with the help of an example. In the previous video we discussed about the if end statement with the help of an example, that is about the determinant, and we used the first condition of no real roots. And basically when you have a determinant is less than 0, then you come up with the imaginary results. So if you missed that video, then definitely the link is in the description box and it's a one click away. So today we are going to start with this if, else and end statement. So in order to understand this if, else and end statement, we are going to use the same example that we did in the previous video about the determinants, and in that case we are using the first and the second condition. So for these two conditions, I am choosing three variables. A is equals to 3, B is equals to 20, and C is equals to 2, just to analyze the results, that how this if, else, and end statement works. This is the interface of the MATLAB, and we are going to start working on an editor with starting with CLC, clear all, and close all. So initially I'm going to input my variables, that is A is equals to 3, and I'm suppressing the results. B is equals to 20 and C is equals to 2. Now I'm going to write the formula for the discriminant, that is equals to B dot head square minus 4 steric A steric C, and I'm not going to suppress the results because I want to see the result of this discriminant. So now I'm going to use a condition, that is if it turns blue, and I'm writing down the condition initially, that is discriminant. If discriminant is less than 0, then display that roots are imaginary, right? So then I'm going to use the word else, and in front of else we are not allowed to use any condition. So directly go to the display command. So it displays that roots are real and equal, and then I'm going to end this statement. So yes, we will check the results. So I'm going to save it. You are not allowed to save the file with the built-in functions or if or switch statement. So make it sure it is other than built-in functions. So I use it state for the time being. So saving it, and I'm going to run it, add to path. So yes, the result of the discriminant is 376, and which means that roots are real and equal. So if I change the B from 20 to 2, let's see, run it. So yes, the discriminant is minus 20 and roots are imaginary. So that's how your if and else statement work. So thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and Allah Hafiz.